Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Rakshita Shetty और आज का वीडियो है something really special which means measuring your weight. You see, since it's a quarantine and lot of people we have been locked down at home और उसके वजह से जो अपना हेल्थ है वो वेट जो है वो बढ़ते ही जा रहा है. So first thing is अगर हमको पता है कि हमारा वेट बढ़ रहा है, सबसे पहले होता है मेजरमेंट. वेयर डू वी स्टैंड. वो जब अगर क्लियर हो जाएगा तब अपने को आगे का क्या करना है वो समझ में आ जाएगा. सो जब वेट गेन का सीन आता है तब आपको सबसे पहले तो आपके मेजरमेंट्स पता होना चाहिए कि आप कहाँ पे लैक कर रहे हो. क्या आपका बॉडी वेट ज़्यादा है, फैट वेट ज़्यादा है, क्या आपका जो है वो डेफिशिएंसी है और क्या ओवरली एक्सेस्ड है. So इसके लिए the first thing you have to do is the measurement. So I got you this product called as Active S Measurement Weighing Scale. Now this is an amazing product. I have just received it and I want to do an unboxing of this first. So I'll tell you the Active X के बारे में. This is the best weighing machine I could found in Amazon. The thing was it was cost wise it is very cheap. ये जो है ये आपके फ़ोन के साथ लिंक कर सकते हो. Active X का जो ऐप है आप उसके साथ लिंक कर सकते हो और ये आपको सारा कुछ डिटेल में बताता है which is body weight, body water, basal metabolic rate as well as muscle mass, your age, fat free body weight, your protein intake, skeleton muscle, bone mass and everything etc. There's a lot of things which you can see and check. The first thing is the measurement and then is setting a target कि ओके मेरा मेजरमेंट इतना है, अब मुझे टारगेट सेट करना है, इसको रिड्यूस कैसे करें या फिर इसको मैं कैसे और कीप ऑन इंक्रीजिंग विद माई potential and workouts and everything. Also the diet plays a very major role on this. So let me open this. This is a very good packing they have done. And there's one more box. Okay. So it is such a lightweight weighing scale. I mean, oh my god, look at this. First time I've ever seen that such a lightweight weighing machine. काश इसके weight के जितना मेरा weight होता. These are the electrodes which measure your weight and other body substances. So the first thing is they've got the battery here. So I have inserted the battery. There is a QR code for an application which I have to scan and download the application. So let's start doing that. So this is the QR code for the application to download and I have downloaded the application. Here it is. So यहाँ पे आपको आपका नाम और नंबर और ईमेल आईडी डालना है आपको. ये मैंने लॉगिन कर लिया है. अभी वेविंग स्केल में मैं जब खड़ी हो जाऊँगी ये ऑटोमेटिकली ब्लूटूथ के साथ कनेक्ट होगा और मेरा पूरा डिटेल इन्फॉर्मेशन इस ऐप में आ जाएगा. So let's start. Here I am with my weighing machine. Let's stand on this and here simultaneously I have started the app. So यहाँ पे मुझे सारा कुछ मेरा measurement दिख जाएगा. So yeah, let's step on. So ensure that you are standing on the electrodes. The moment you stand, it will show your weight. Data is being captured here. Simultaneously machine में सिर्फ आपको weight दिखेगा which is 58.55. But ये app में मेरा पूरा details आ गया है. Here it is. So let's review this now. Here I am with Pankaj Tambe, who is an ISA certified fitness trainer as well as the nutritionist. Hi Pankaj. So Pankaj is going to help me with the measurement what I just took it from the Active X app. So let's see the measurement. I am sure it is not that great, but Pankaj, this is what my details are.
So basically it's showing the weight first, which is 58.55 kg. The important thing on that basis only you can set a target, like whether you want to cut down fat, whether you want to gain some muscle or whether you want to gain some body weight. Then the important thing is like your BMI, which is like shows between the height and the weight ratio. Then again the important thing is body fat percentage. Then it comes to your skeletal muscle mass, so like how much amount of skeletal muscle mass your body is carrying. So depend on that you can plan your nutrition. Then it comes to bone mass, which is the most important thing. So even if you are lean, you should be calculating how much is the bone weight. Then it comes your protein intake. So then on that basis, on protein intake basis, you can calculate your macronutrients. Then it comes the BMR, which is basal metabolic rate. That means the rate at which your body burns calorie throughout the day. Then the important thing is the metabolic age. So like if your age is 20, but because of on a heavy weight side, it will might show 25, 26, because you are carrying a lot of extra weight.
Exactly, and because of that, a lot of time what happens is due to our this reasons where there is a lot of fat, there is extra fat, there is visceral fat, and a lot of things. इसकी वजह से आपका age कभी कभी ज़्यादा दिखता है than your usual age. So a lot of compliments I get is that I don't look my age because I look younger than that. So the reason is I do workout, I have a good food. Also I have Active X, which I do use it regularly now and measure my body weight. So that's Pankaj, and thank you for Pankaj letting me know what my measurements are. And do you just tell me what workout should I do so that I can be in my regular weight?
Like you can just use your own body weight exercise, or for burning the calories. So there are a few exercises like squats,
Okay.
jumping jacks,
Okay.
push-ups. So these are the basic exercises which you can go through and can give you a pretty good result.
Okay. Okay. I think I should start doing that because my weight is little on a higher note and I have to work upon it. So thanks Pankaj for letting me know, and I would start my workout now. And if you guys want to see Pankaj and me working out together as a partner, so do let me know on the comment section. Then we'll put up a video where we are working together. What do you say?
Sure.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, Pankaj.
Thank you guys.
Whew. Okay, I've just come back after my workout and I had a tiring workout here. Now I just did a normal squats as well as some cardio and some jumping jacks as suggested by Pankaj, and it really helps me to keep my body weight intact. I mean, I really don't want to increase my body weight and I'm trying to be very conscious about my weight gain. So yeah, hopefully I maintain my body weight. And also to tell you something more about Active X weighing scale is that it comes with a warranty of 1 year, so you can use this as many times as you want. Also, this is not only useful for you since it's the application which is being there on your phone, तो आप आपके और भी members, आपके सारे family members को आप उसमें add कर सकते हो और आपके सारे family members के आप measurements देख सकते हो. Very much important to understand where do we stand. अगर हमको पता है okay ये हमारा body weight है और इस पे हमको काम करना है, और या फिर हमको डॉक्टर्स एडवाइस लेना है, वो हम कर सकते हैं. So adding your family member on the app as well as taking their measurement is also a good idea. So this was all about Active X. Hope you liked the video. I'm putting all the description about the Active X on the next slide. You can go and check out their page. You can go and purchase your product. You'll also get a discount. Do use the code. And thank you for watching my video. Do not forget to give a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Bye. Take care. Lots of love. Be healthy. Stay safe.